So we're going to talk about water softeners and maintenance and how to get them to function properly. It's very important to have a water softener. The main thing is a salt and what salt does to actually clean a softener. So what a salt does is it actually brines into this resin tank. It does that every time you use so many gallons of water or on a certain day that it's set up for. So every softener is different. On this instance, as you can see, there's actually a salt bridge in here, really hard. And you can see the gaps on this side and you can see the gaps on this side. In this case, this unit is not working because I believe it is salt bridged. And what they've done is they kept the salt too full. Always important to let that salt get down to where you can see water and a little bit of salt, and then you can fill it back up. But never keep the unit full or it creates a huge salt bridge just like this one did here as well.